Thank you, Madam President, Mr. Floor Leader. Proposed resolution expressing deepest condolences and posthumous citation of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan on behalf of the province of Iloilo to the bereaved family of the late Quintessential Man Dr. Juanito M. Acanto. Whereas Dr. Juanito M. Acanto, often remembered as the Centennial President of Central Philippine University, went back to the bosom of his Redeemer last July 30, 2023, due to a long-time ailment at a ripe age of 86. Whereas Dr. Acanto held degrees in Associate in Arts, Bachelor of Laws, Master of Arts in Public Management, University of the Philippines in the Visayas, and Doctor in Philosophy in Public Administration, International University of Missouri, USA, and was once appointed as Municipal Judge of Badyangan. Whereas as a member of the Academe, Dr. Acanto, the Central Philippine University's third Filipino president, has served the said institution for 30 years, including 9 years as CPO president and other positions in the College of Law, thus regular ex officio member and chairman of the Board of Trustees. Whereas as a politician and a public servant, he was elected as municipal councilor of Haniway in 1963, became a legal aid to Iloilo's governor until 1968, and was elected board member of the province of Iloilo from 1969 to 1986, and from 1987 to 1988, and he was a well-respected public servant of his Ilonggo constituents. Whereas he had been a director of BMAMCI, a trucking firm, director-treasurer of Iloilo Tire Builders Incorporated, past vice president of Philippine Association of Law Schools, and member of the Philippine Constitution Association, or PhilConsa, that had been a Philippine delegate to the Second ASEAN Law Association Conference and Assembly, held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in October 1982. Whereas he was also active in civic works like those involving Freemasonry, Young Men's Christian Services, Rotary Club of Iloilo, Philippine Constitution Association, and has served as member of the Board of Directors, and later chairman of the Iloilo Mission Hospital, and a devoted member and supporter of the Baptist churches in Iloilo. Whereas as floor leader, he was one of those responsible for the passing of various ordinances, which include Provincial Ordinance Number 11, Series of 1995, or the revised ordinance prescribing the mechanism for the issuance of permits to extract sand, gravel, and other quarry resources, imposing tax on the extracted materials, and providing penalties for violation of certain provisions thereof, and Provincial Ordinance Number 97-22, Series of 1997, or the resolution commending for the municipalities of San Joaquin and Bingawan Province of Iloilo for declaring their entire municipalities as bird sanctuaries, and urging other municipalities to declare bird and animal sanctuaries and other similar environmental friendly legislations in their respective territorial jurisdictions. Whereas the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Iloilo recognizes the vital contributions of Dr. Juanito M. Acanto to the political, social, and economic drive of the province, not only as a civil servant but also as a member of the Academe and a social activist. Resolved as it is hereby resolved to express the deepest condolences of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan to the bereaved family of the late Dr. Juanito M. Acanto, acknowledging and expressing gratitude for his valuable contributions, with a fervent prayer that they shall be comforted during this time of sorrow. With further resolve that the Sangguniang Panlalawigan appreciates his unwavering dedication to public service and his effort to enhance the lives of numerous individuals within our province. With finally resolved that copy of this resolution be transmitted to the family of Dr. Juanito M. Acanto as a testament to the respect and gratitude the Sangguniang Panlalawigan held for his contributions.
The leader moves that the resolution be passed expressing deepest condolences and posthumous citation of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan on behalf of the province of Iloilo to the bereaved family of the late Quintessential Man Dr. Juanito M. Acanto, sponsored by the Honorable Matt P. Palabrica and Honorable
Co-sponsored by all
co-sponsored by all
members of the board.
members of the board.
So moved, seconded by unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.